morning, everyone. It's freezing out here, but today we're installing a part that has to do with that over there. So let's put on some gloves and let's go. So today we're gonna install some unequal length header. Why? Let me show you. So as you can tell, it doesn't sound like a Subaru. So hopefully that header fixes it today. It's an unequal length header, so it should give it that Subaru rumble. What we got here is a PLM unequal length header. It's a stainless steel and it fits all BRZs. Let's see how this goes. It should be pretty straightforward. It's just quick in and out and it should be done.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here, and today
These clips are a pain in the ass. Pretty clean down here. Bone dry. We're gonna start undoing this connector right here. Right now I'm just running on an axle back. Stock cat. Resonator is still there. So really, it shouldn't be that loud. I can't wait to hear what this thing sounds like. Oh yeah. I did it. Now we just have to transfer the sensors. That took some abuse. Here we are. Out with the old. Alright. Now we just have to put it back in. That wasn't so bad. Let go. One. And the last one right here. So excited. Before I test any leaks, I'm just gonna quickly flash a stage 2 tune on it with my open flash. Got this thing not long ago. Been running a stage 1 on it. It's been great. And now that I have the unequal length header, I should be able to use stage 2. I should be able to start it up now. There's a leak. Oh no. Oh. Okay, second try. Should be better now. That's Subi. So I was able to turn these a little bit more and move the gasket a bit, and seems to be okay right now. Woo! Excited. I'm gonna put the under tray back and we should be able to go for a drive. One last good look at this header before I close it up. Let's hear it. it's not any louder. I've noticed. Oh, so good! What? What? Oh! Now that's a Subaru. That's a Subaru BRZ right there. Woo! 5 years. 5 years of having stock headers.